Lesson number 2, man bugs. Here's the diagram of the man
Bug.
Okay, see his very large biceps? See, that is the actual size of a man bug. See? 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 There. See his fangs? He can use them to go right here. And his claws are on his antennas. You can go snip, snip, snip. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, I smell this. Okay. This man bug is 8 years old. And he also has a knife pocket patch thing to hold the knife. And see his claws. See? Okay. And lesson number 3. How to catch a man bug. Okay, so first, you need skill. You know, like, she has skill. See, don't go for me. I'll be like, blah, blah. Okay. Anyways, second, you need a brain. Demonstration.
Like me. I have big brain.
And like me? Duh. Okay. Third, you need a net. That is knife proof. Like her. Not me. Duh. And fourth, you must have duct tape. Warning, put it over your mouth to shut you up before you scream. Okay. And man bugs are known to eat fat humans. See? Here's the dialogue. See? The fangs will sink into their blubber and go, raw! And see, they take the knife out of their pocket and blood goes everywhere and they go, see?
Can I make the mating call?
And
The mating dance.
that's his heart. See the actual size. And now we will go into lesson 4.
This is the mating dance. First they'll this, and then they'll cross their legs over it, and start going. Then they'll curtsy. They'll be like, This is an actual picture. I just don't know how to draw man bugs curtsying. Then this is the last stage. That's him if he gets the girl. I forgot to draw the happy face on him if he gets the mate, but this is him if he doesn't. He explodes. That's what happens if a man bug does not get the mate. They explode in 2 pieces because they're so mad.
Oh, and this is what the man bug sounds like.
That's their mating call.
And if a girl goes, oh, I hear something.
What am I supposed to say?
See, then the boy will go, and they will smell the world. And again, the biceps for fangs for the knife pocket for y'all. And last, the claws are for see, and that is how to catch a man bug.
Are you putting that on YouTube?